If you're a power user, a content creator, or a user of multiple microphones, it can often become a hassle switching between them. So in this video, you will learn how to set your preferred microphone as default in just a few simple clicks. Firstly, open Settings on your computer, click System, choose Sound, scroll down to the Input section, look for Choose a device for speaking or recording, and expand the drop-down menu. Then, select your preferred microphone from the list. Next up, you can also use the control panel. Just open the control panel in your computer, go to Sounds, click Manage Audio Devices, select the Recording tab, then select your preferred microphone from the list of recording devices that appears. Once chosen, click Set Default, and then click OK once done. Now that's how to change your default microphone in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.